Hey, this is Joe from RealSuccess, and today we're going to talk about the tips to buying real estate successfully. At RealSuccess, we have created lots of materials and programs, different things in real estate to empower up-and-coming investors. Here are 6 real estate investing tips. Number 6, do not overanalyze. You might lose a lot of great opportunities to make a great deal of money. Start making offers. Yes, analysis paralysis, we all know about it, we all heard. Some of us have, already, went through that. It's good to have data to analyze, but at the end of the day, action makes the difference. Number 5, inspect the property. Try to get as many things fixed as possible when you're buying a potential real estate investment. Of course, you're gonna be changing some of the things cosmetically, but in terms of foundation, rough plumbing, rough electrical, it's always good to get it new and to have someone else pay for it. Also, drive around the block. Look at the homes in the neighborhood. What are their conditions? How do they look? So when you actually go and remodel, you can keep the same tone. Number 4, use a real estate agent or broker. Just so you guys know, when I started, I definitely started with agents. They walked me through the entire process. They have my back, and there's great deals off market that agents will be able to provide you. So not everything is on the market. Some great deals happen. Agents do door knocking, they do farming, and they will be able to provide you great deals. Number 3, shop around for financing. My experience with loan officers tell me one thing. They tend to sometimes change terms and rates, even though that's illegal, and put junk charges. We have multiple programs and great loans to help you achieve your goals at RealSuccess. Number 2, make connections with other fellow real estate investors. This is super important. This is your community. These are the people you're gonna be hanging out with. These are the people that will elevate the level of your life. You can learn a great deal from fellow investors firsthand. At RealSuccess, we have a huge community, so you get to meet and greet and work with people that you don't know at the beginning, but then you build a relationship. One piece of advice alone could be worth thousands, if not, dozens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands along the line throughout your career. So if you like challenges and lifetime learning, real estate investing is a great way to actually create your future and achieve financial freedom. And number 1, advertise yourself. Get business cards, get a website, get a logo, make sure you're fully set up. Then you can move to advertisement. You can do newspaper, Facebook, Instagram. There's so many venues right now. Online, you can do mailers. Today, we have so many ways that we can actually use technology as a platform to launch into success. Thank you for watching our short video section, and I hope this brought value to your investment career. These are the basic tips on how to buy real estate successfully. And if you want to learn the ins and outs on real estate, click on the link below. This is my website where we teach people how to achieve financial freedom through real estate investing. I am here for you. We're in this journey called life together. Let's enjoy every moment and do what we truly love, whatever that is. And let's create real success for everyone.